Hello friends, I have made changes to PageSpeed checklist, so I want to walk you through those changes so you know why I made those changes and what are those changes. So this is a PageSpeed optimization checklist that I use on all WordPress websites. And first change is I added links to video tutorials, so it's linked to directly to timestamp where I explain how to do each step that's linked. For example, how to make sure images are lazy loaded. Then you click this and you watch that step. Second change I made is lazy load Google Fonts, because some sites use Google Fonts and for design purposes, and I want to address that Google Fonts optimization, which is also linked to related step in video. Third change, I switched from Smashit plugin to EU Image Optimizer plugin, because Smashit plugin forces to connect your website to register with their service, but I don't prefer connecting and registering to other websites for image resizing. I want to resize all my images locally. With EU Image Optimizer, you can use local resources, your server resources, to resize images. For that reason, I switched my recommendation from Smashit to EU Image Optimizer. And this doesn't mean that this is better or this is perfect. In future it may change, and it's also my personal preference. I prefer using simpler plugins that don't rely on any other external registration, etc. So in future I am sure that if this plugin will move to other model and will remove its own server resource usage, I will probably look for another solution, and time will show what other plugins will be in future. Third change is I switched to Cloudflare CDN page cache without a plugin. This is also because previous plugin, which was Cloudflare page cache, switched their model. They don't want to be known for only caching in Cloudflare. They switched their target audience from Cloudflare only to general caching plugin. So I don't need another general caching plugin. I just need to cache my WordPress pages on CDN for free, and now I have without plugin solution for doing it. And you can watch this video where I explain how to use it. And if you are already using Cloudflare, free version of Cloudflare, then this will be the best solution. It will be addition to your existing caching plugin, which I still recommend using. I use Cache Enabler plugin, which is really simple plugin for caching WordPress pages. And in addition to it, I also use, at the same time, I use Cloudflare CDN page cache as well. And that's it. Those are the changes that I made to Speed checklist. You can get it from my website, webpa.com/speed. And I use this checklist on all my websites, and I regularly update it, check it if those solutions that I recommend and that I use there are still working and still valid. So that's it for this video, and thank you for liking, subscribing. This makes me know that my content is helping you out. Thank you very much.